I have a diamond cut London broil. I marinated it in Bing cherry puree and balsamic vinegar. Time to go to the fire. Alright, it's coming off the fire. Most of the moisture is gone. Give it a spin. Oops, gotta clean up the pan. Oh yeah, nice. Alright, back to the fire. And all the moisture is gone. Wow. Different, right? It's hot. Wait for it. Way too hot. Whoa, look at that. Definitely smell the balsamic. Once I cut it, that'll definitely be reabsorbed. That's flavor. Alright, I'll have to let it sit, cool down, and then we'll cut it. Yummy. Oh wait. You want to see how it looks, right? Sorry. Actually, I should grab it right there. Look at that. Perfect. It's my dinner. Love you.